Calza Clemente is a family company born in 1932. We are focused in production of ingredients for the dairy industry. We are located in north of Italy, and we are expert in technologies and ingredients for the production of all the dairy products that are typical from the Mediterranean areas. Well, I'm a chemical engineer. I work in this sector by 25 years. But I was born in this sector because my family and my grandfather was working in this sector from, as I said, 92 years. So essentially I have some milk running in my veins. Calza Clemente has customers in all continents. We supply ingredients to the dairy industry. We supply customers from the small size to the big size, and we are focused in customization of our ingredients, and we provide technology to help our customers to achieve results and better results in terms of quality, sustainability and optimization of their processes. Calza Clemente is a small company, very flexible in its approach with the customers. Thanks to our experience, we provided assistance to customers all over the world. Our technicians are able to obtain results in various markets and apply the experience they did maybe in other areas of the world in new locations. So it's very important. We have a team of real people that can talk every day with the customer, understanding what they need and obtaining results thanks to our really wide and open minds in terms of experience. Well, first of all, we have to understand where the customer is located, which kind of raw material he has available or he have to process, which kind of equipment we have to use to produce that product, so which kind of equipment, level, technology we have available in that plant, and what kind of product we have to produce, so specifically the characteristic of the products that are required of that specific market. So all this it's meaning to customize a formula, a recipe in terms of ingredients and in terms of exactly recipe in the customer plant. So after that process of understanding, we pass in the process of development into our laboratories of the formula of the ingredients, and we provide it to the customer for initial trials. If needed, our technologists are available and are traveling all around the world to work with the customer in its plant to develop the product as the customer or the market is liking. Of course, the trends are different from area to area. Of course, different areas of the world have different requirements, depending on its culture and its needs, of course, and the milk availability. But in general, we have big requirements, especially requirements on mozzarella and pasta filata cheeses, pizza topping mainly. Pizza is booming all around the world still, and on cream cheeses. On this particular product, we did a great experience in the last years, and in particular we are also working on the development of cream cheeses from byproducts like whey cheese. So this project was done with Frau, and it's very exciting. Well, Calza Clemente is producing various kinds of ingredients, all the range of ingredients for the dairy industry. In particular, our history is on the rennet, on the coagulants for the dairy industry. We are still very strong in traditional coagulants for the European area, but in general we also sell animal-free coagulants for other areas of the world. We also are very strong on starter cultures formulation, so we have customized formulas of bacteria to achieve various results in terms of texture, flavor and performances of all the dairy products that our customers produce. And we're also very strong in enzymes in general, like lactase, for example. Lactase is booming in the last 10 years, and we are very strong in various kind of lactase to obtain lactose-free milk or lactose-free dairy products, UHT, Esle milk, or even lactase for pills for who is lactose intolerant. Calza and Frau were together in a project where a customer was needing of the equipment of Frau, but was also needing of to be sure to be able to manage that equipment to produce the products he was needing. So in that moment he took advantage of the presence of Calza and he signed a contract with the both companies for a full assistance from A to Z to obtain the product. Yeah, from there we realized that Calza and Frau has similar values. We focused on the similar purposes in the market, even if you do totally different products. And we found that the collaboration is very important, very fruitful for both, because we can provide best services to our customers and provide a full package of services to our potential customers and friends. In many cases, we provide assistance to our customers. We found that they already have an existing equipment and they maybe purchased, I wouldn't say the wrong equipment, but not the best equipment to obtain their results. This doesn't mean that they spend less money. It means they spend the same money probably with the wrong equipment or not the best. So sometimes we have to do big efforts to adapt the technologies, the recipes to equipment which is not the best one. So it's very important when customers want to start a new project to start to evaluate not only with the equipment producer but also with the technologists to find together the best combination of the two in order to obtain and to achieve some results. Well, once we did a great Parmesan cheese in a cheddar plant, which was making in US. That plant was designed to do 1 ton cheddar blocks, and for the customer, it was impossible to do a Parmesan there for several technical reasons. And we went there, and after a couple of days of hard work, we did it, and was very nice result. Customer was happy, and of course to see the customer happy is the best for us. Well, I think that each trend has to be followed. The market is leading, of course, and personally I like some of that products, and we are working on that. So in our line of product we also produce ingredients for the vegan and the vegetable processing. So it's not our main focus because we really come from the dairy industry, but of course it's a trend, and we have customers which provide with ingredients and technologies to produce products which are similar to the dairy products obtained by vegetable sources. First of all, we have a very good personal relation with the managers of Frau. I'm a really personal friend of Paolo and Giuseppe. They are very good people, and after that they are really big professionals. So we always feel comfortable both on the personal and on the professional point of view, which is great, just great. So after that, the companies are really focusing on the same parameters, so quality first and service to the customers. So we are also very similar in this, and this makes everything much easier.